Hey guys, if you want to know how we get our fabric from this to this when it comes to your door, stay tuned and watch this video. So when our fabric first come in off of the truck, the guys bring it in, they'll store it all under here, under the tables. If whatever cannot fit here, we'll go into our other office, which is overflow. So once it come in, it's all bagged up. Sometimes I get so excited, I'll just rip through them just to see exactly what I have. It's like Christmas Day. It's like opening up your gifts on Christmas. That's how excited we get about fabric around here. So then you'll just pick up whatever colors that we're going to actually cut, put it up on the table. Then you want to undress it from all of the plastic. So as you guys can see, this is our green iridescent. This is so pretty. It's like have different hues of royal blue, purple, like it's just amazing. This fabric is really gorgeous. So if you don't have some, now's a good time to get some. The link is in the description. But from this part, we now want to stick our rod. This is a rod. This is our makeshift table, right? We figured out exactly what we wanted this process to look like. And then we created the solution to get it done. Wait a minute. Hold on. Okay. So now you're going to stick this rod. We'll find the middle opening of the fabric. And stick it all the way through. And this is actually normally a two-man process. One is normally on this side and then the other is normally on that side. That makes the process up much easier. But now you're just gonna lift the roll up onto the table. Now this makes the cutting process so much easier, right? Because now you're going to have, like I said, one staff member on this side, another team member on that side. So they just take the fabric, roll it all the way down. Now we already have our tables measured out for 12-foot panels. And this is pretty much where they also look for, and they kind of inspect the fabric, right? Like something like this. Piece of fabric, a piece of tape, anything could be on the fabric. And this is where they'll decide if it's an actual fabric that we're going to sell or if it's something that need to go into the scrap box for our mystery boxes. Speaking of mystery boxes, that is a really cool way to broaden your creativity. If you want to see our video on mystery boxes, guess what? That link is in the description as well. So after the cutting process, it gets bagged and everything like that, then it gets stored, right? It gets stored according to color coordination as well as the texture. Now the bags, we have to make sure that they has warning labels and then they also are self-sealing. That way they don't fall out the bag, right? So on this section, this is where we pretty much keep everything organized. So in the beginning is where we have a lot of our crushed taffeta, right? And we'll start pretty much from our primary colors beneath because they are like our most popular colors, right? The black, the white, the ivory. We have plenty of those in stock. So we normally put that at the lowest setting or at the lowest level. And then as we go up, we put the colors and things that we don't have a super lot of. But then this is all our interlock. Now our interlock is our most economical blend, but it's like the greatest blend for beginners, right? I got into using stretch maybe about 2 years ago, and it has just taken off because this is like the best fabric if you're not that skilled at draping. Not to mention, it's the most cost-effective one, right? Then this is our premium area because this gets into our sequin blends, and we have so many different colors and so many different styles. So this whole area here is our sequin. Then it follows around to our velvet, right? Now when it gets to our velvet, I get excited with our velvet, right? Because now we're adding, so like every week we're adding new colors to our velvet panels, right? This is our eggplant. And right now I believe we have the velvet in about 9 different shades, right? 9 different colors. Then as we continue to go around, we still have our velvet blends, right? Because we have plenty, like I said, we're adding new colors. This is our red, super, super hot color, right? And around here is where a lot of our sheer, our voile, we're also adding a lot of colors with our voile. So our most hottest color with the voile is the white. So we always got to make sure we have a lot of white as well as black in stock, because these don't really stay on the shelves too long, right? But we're adding new exciting colors like the fuchsia, and then we have some blues and some reds up top, right? So this is pretty much how we process it. This is how we package it, all that good stuff, so it comes to you and as a Posh product, right? So if you don't have, you know, your inventory built up quite yet, definitely these are the 5 blends that I highly recommend you to use if you're trying to stand out and be unique from what everyone else is doing. So if you have any further questions, you want to be sure that you are subscribed to the channel, because we love interacting with our subscribers and providing those answers for any question you may have. All you have to do is be sure to hit that bell below, and I'll see you guys on the inside.